श्रियोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपदये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वञ्जिगातु देशं जन्मो अस्तु पादे सरस्वते ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः सहस्रवादि बभूवं विश्वतो अत्यधिकं गुरुदेवेन सर्वं यत्पूजाय प्रभव्यं पुराणस्य चक्रे वायुव्याने आरण्यां जाम्यास्ते तस्मादित्यात्तर्बहुलः तस्मावानुयुज्ये चन्द्रागं विगत्ये तस्मादजायन्ता एकेतो विजातः भावो हरिष्णे तस्माद् तस्मादादारुयः यत्पुरुषं जगरुः यदाभ्यकल्पयन् मुखं बाहो कावोराजाविष्यते मनोऽस्तमुखमासीत् बाहुराजनश्रुतः पूर्वोदकस्य यत्वंशः तद्धातुं पुत्रो अजायत चन्द्रभावनभो जातः चक्षुर्सूर्यो अजायत मुदाधिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुजायत नाभ्यादीनन्तरिक्षं विष्णोर्ध्वो नमस्तत तद्भ्राम्भोरतिरश्रोत्रात् तदा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तं आदित्यवर्णन्तमहस्परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वानमृत इह भवति नान्यस्सन्तायनाय विद्यते यत्तमयदन्तदेवाः धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते नातं महिमानस्तजन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्यासन्ति अभ्यस्तम्भोरप्रसिद्धैरथाः च विश्वकर्मणस्तमवर्तकाहि तस्य त्वष्टा धृतध्रुवमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमद्वेते वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णन्तमहस्परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वान्वत इह भवति नान्यस्सन्ता विद्यते जनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीराः परिजानन्ति योनिं मरीचीनां बलमिच्छन्ति वेदसः यो देवेभ्यः आतपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो रामः नमो रुचाय ब्राह्मये ऋतं ब्राह्मं जनयन्तः देवाग्रे ब्रुवन् यस्त्वैवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असंवचे श्रीष्ठरे लक्ष्मीष्टपत्न्यो अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनौजातं वित्तं महिषाणाम् अमुं महिषाणां सर्वं महिषाणाम् ॐ विष्णोर्मुखं दीर्घाणि प्रबोधय्य पार्थिवानि विमवेदयो अस्तभाय
यञ्जनानि बीजानि स्वराशक्तयः ॐ श्रौं ह्रीं इति बीजानि ॐ श्रीं मित्राय सोम्ब्रवीत् शैगीषव्याय सप्राह सोऽब्रवीच्यवनाय च तस्माद् अपापशाण्डिल्य खर्गाय प्राह वै मुनिः क्रतुञ्जयाय सप्राह जातुकर्ण्याय संयमौ विष्णुवृद्धाय सोऽप्याह सोऽपि बोधायनाय च क्रमात् स विष्णवे प्राह सप्राहोत्तामकुक्षये सिंहतेजाश्च तस्माच्च श्रीप्रियाय धनौजसः उपदिष्टोऽस्मि तेनाहम् इदं नाम सहस्रकम् तत्प्रसादात् अमृत्युर्मे यस्मात् कस्मात् भयं नहि मया च कथितं नारसिंहस्तोत्रमिदं तव त्वं हि नित्यं शुचिर्भूत्वा तमाराधय शाश्वतम् सर्वभूताश्रयं देवं नृसिंहं भक्तवत्सलं पूजयित्वा स्तवं जप्त्वा हुत्वा निश्चलमानसः प्राप्यते महतीं सिद्धिं सर्वान् कामान् परोत्तमान् अयमेव परो धर्मस्त्विदमेव परं तपः इदं एव परं ज्ञानम् इदं एव महद्व्रतम् अयं एव सदाचारस्त्वयं एव सधामकः इदं एव त्रयो वेदा सच्चास्त्राण्यागमानि च नृसिंहमन्त्राद्धन्यच्च वैदिकं तु न विद्यते यदि हास्ति तदन्यत्र यन्नेहास्ति न तत्त्वचेत् कथितं ते नृसिंहस्य चरितं पापनाशनम् सर्वमन्त्रमयं तापत्रयोपशमनं परम् सर्वार्थसाधनं दिव्यं किं भूय श्रोतुमिच्छसि इति श्रीलक्ष्मीनृसिंहसहस्रनामस्तोत्रम् सम्पूर्णम्।
सिंह कवचं वक्ष्ये प्रह्लादेनोदितं पुरा सर्वरक्षाकरं पुण्यं सर्वोपद्रवनाशनं सर्वसम्पत्करं चैव स्वर्गमोक्षप्रदायकं
प्रसिद्धं नवनीतचोरं गोपाङ्गनानां च दुकुलचोरम् अनेक जन्मार्जिता पापचोरं चौराग्रगण्यं पुरुषं नमामि श्रीराधिकाया हृदयस्य च।
The Braja is a place where people walk along with Krishna. When you have some perfection, you become very famous. To become famous, we need to have some siddhi, perfection. And Krishna has so many perfections, and one of the perfections is his stealing tendency. Krishna stole butter. Our heart is compared to butter. So, Vraje Prasiddham Navanita Choram, Krishna stole butter means he is stealing all the hearts of people who walk along with him. And who are those? Vrajavasis. He is very famous for that. We know that Krishna has stolen my heart when we long for him. you will always remember Krishna, you will never forget him. So that's why we should invite Krishna to steal our hearts so that we always long for him. So Krishna stole many things. He steals everything. And he stole the garments of the gopis. The garments of the gopis, they represent our subtle body and gross body. Our subtle body and gross body. Unless you relinquish your attachment to gross body and subtle body, you can never develop attachment to Krishna. Then he says, not only he steals butter, not only he steals the garments of the gopis, Aneka Janmarjita Papachauram. Aneka Janmarjita Papachauram. You can imitate Krishna. Yes, I can steal butter. I can steal the garments of girls. But can you steal the papa for which we are suffering now? Can you steal the karma of a jiva? That you need to be very expert. Only Krishna can steal the reactions of our karma. Who will take that? Krishna is a better thief who can not only steal the garments of the gopis, but the papas, the karma, the papa punyas that we have accumulated over billions of lifetimes, only he can steal them. He's the best of the thieves. If you have something very precious, make sure Krishna will take away. How you want that to be taken away? When you die, it will be taken away by time, which is a representative of Krishna. But before that, you give that to Krishna in a love, with love and affection, isn't it? Whatever beautiful thing you have. And the most beautiful heart that anyone has is Srimati Radhika's heart. He can steal your heart, my heart, but Srimati Radhika's heart is filled with Krishna. Actually, Krishna is Radhika's heart. He says, when everything is taken away, Krishna throws us on the street like a beggar. It's exactly like Prabhupada went through. Prabhupada, everything was taken away by Krishna. That is a great thing that you can have. And Krishna doesn't take anything from you, don't worry. He doesn't make you a pauper or a beggar on the street. Giri Prasara means we have mountains of sin, isn't it? That's why Krishna has thunderbolt in his lotus feet. Do you know that? Krishna has 19 symbols, equivalent to Srimati Radharani also has 19 symbols. One of these symbols that Krishna has at the lotus feet is called Vajrayudha. Indra uses his Vajrayudha for subduing the mountains. If mountains are growing very tall, he uses his Vajrayudha. So our Papa is growing, and Krishna is telling here, Bilu Mangal Thakur is telling here, if you want to take Yadi means someone, whether it is a devotee or a non-devotee, and Yadi also implies in whatever condition you have, just by uttering one name of this thief, the mountains of sin will be annihilated. We want to invite that thief. What a thief? Not even his presence, just by his one name of this thief will take away your Giri Prasarapi Papa Rasim. What is the meaning of living for Krishna? When he comes and takes us away or wants to take us away, we never resist that much. Yeah, if it is your time, I'm actually waiting for that. Boarding time has come now, please take. Living for Krishna means not worrying about when I will go or how I will go, but when time comes, I am fully prepared to remember him. That is the meaning of living for Krishna. Can anyone become free from Yama's noose? Yama Pasha is the strongest noose that no one can get rid of. But Krishna can make you free from Yama Pasha. Whatever attachments you have, Krishna can easily sever this off. What do we think of Krishna? He is such a great person. Just by chanting one name, our paparasi is finished. We can be free from this Yamapasha. Not only Yamapasha, this Bhavapasha. Not only Bhavapasha, any remaining attachments also will be taken away. Now Bilvamangal Thakur explains what are all the naughty things that Krishna has done and whatever he has stolen. Now we want to punish him. How you want to punish him? We want to capture him and put him in the prison. Then how to capture him? How to capture him? Do you think Krishna can be captured easily? He is not available for the yogis also. So whenever Krishna comes to our life, we have to tie him down so that you don't go. What is that rope that you can tie him down? Bhakti Pasham. You can have Yama Pasha, we can have Bhava Pasha. This Bhakti Pasha is so great that it can bind Krishna. Then he says, then what is a prison? The prison is my heart. Is my heart clean? If it is clean, it is not punishment for Krishna, isn't it? So Bilvamangal Thakur is saying, I will give you sufficient punishment to you. What is that punishment? My heart is filled with all rubbish things. It is pitch dark. That means there is no knowledge in my heart. That's why I can't see you even though you are in my heart. Now, I will capture you. After capturing, I will bind you with my bhakti rope and put you in my dark heart so that you will suffer there for millions of years. Hey Krishna, pralaya koti shatantarepi. For millions of yawns, you stay there in my heart which is dirty. That is your punishment because you have stolen everything, Krishna. Is it a good punishment or this is a punishment that you ask? So let us pray Krishna that let me always think of you means please steal my Chaurashtakam ki Jai. Shri Gaur Nitai ki
Hare पुरुषं नमामि श्रीराधिकाय हृदयस्य चोरं नवाम्बुडश्यामलकान्तिचोरं पदाश्रितानां च समस्तचोरं चोराग्रगण्यं पुरुषं नमामि अकिञ्चनीकृत्य पदाश्रितं या करोति भिक्षुं पथि गेहहीनं केनाप्यहो भीषणाचोरयेत्रे दृष्टा श्रुतो वा न जगत्त्रयेऽपि यदीयनामापि हरति यशेषं गिरिप्रसारान् अपि पापराशीन् आश्चर्यरूपो ननु चोरयेत्रे दृष्टा श्रुतो वा न मया कदापि धनं च मानं च तथेनिन्द्रियाणि प्रणांसहित्वा मम सर्वमेव पलायसे कुत्र धृतोऽत्यचोरा त्वं भक्तिदां नासि माया निरोधा क्षीणात्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भीनात्सि भीमं भवपाशबन्धं क्षीणात्सि सर्वस्य समस्तबन्धं नैवात्मनो भक्त कृतं तु बन्धं मन्मानसे तामसराशिघोरे कारागृहे दुःखमाये निबद्धा लभस्व हे चोरहारे चिराय स्वचोरदोषो चित्तमेव दण्डम् कारागृहे वस हृदये मदीये मद्भक्तिपाश धीरबन्धना निश्चला सा त्वं कृष्णा हे प्रलयकोटि शतन्तरेऽपि सर्वस्वचोरा हृदयन्नाहि मोचयामि
उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम् उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम् उग्रं वीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नृसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्
By the mercy of all devotees and the mercy of the Lord Nrsimhadev, and she recovered from the big tragedy. All doctors, they told me, bring your family members who ever want to see her. She will no more. She just finished. Because when I reached the hospital, that time her breathing rate was 20. And she took few hours, she will go. But then they transfer her to other hospital, and the Prabhu here, Tauji Prabhu here, by his mercy, only one person he gave me first. He called me and told, don't worry, Prabhu. Lord Narasimhadev protect. Really, Narasimhadev protected her. And 7 days, I couldn't remember how what I did and what I ate or not. And even my whole family, my son and daughter-in-law, they came, and every day they used to go to hospital. I couldn't go there, and she was 7 days in coma. And there the doctor, when I went there, I asked, "Bro, cannot say anything." But by Lord Narasimhadev's mercy, and we tried out so many devotees that did also many things, and Jagannath Puri, there are some devotees that did. Bombay Temple, they also did some, and this Manoj Prabhu, he did in some puja in Mahakaleshwar Temple, and some devotees, so many devotees from here, they did also puja in Narasimhadev in Mayapur, and I am definitely from that day 100%. I believe that mercy, devotee's mercy, is more powerful than Lord's mercy. And I understand myself, I realize in my whole family, that I did not stop crying that few days. And I couldn't explain how the situation was. But Lord Narasimhadev protected us. And, thank you very much for that occasion. I'm just inviting everybody, and please take prasadam, and please give blessings, and we can do more and more service.
Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada.